Ever wondered why some relationships stand the test of time while others crumble like a sandcastle against the tide? We're about to explore this mystery and uncover the secrets that keep relationships thriving. So buckle up and let's delve into the secrets that make a relationship last. The first secret is communication. A strong relationship thrives on honest and open conversations. No secrets, no surprises. You see, communication is the lifeblood in the body of love. It enables partners to express their needs, hopes, and concerns to each other openly and honestly. The second secret is trust. A relationship without trust is like a car without fuel. You can stay in it all you want, but it won't go anywhere. Trust is the foundation upon which all relationships are built. Thirdly, mutual respect. This is the essence of a lasting relationship. It's about valuing each other's thoughts, feelings, and experiences, treating one another with kindness and understanding. The fourth secret is shared goals and dreams. It's about walking in the same direction together, hand in hand, towards a shared vision. And fifth, maintaining individuality. While being a couple is important, it's equally essential to maintain your own identity, hobbies, and interests. These are the first 5 secrets. But wait, there's more. Moving on, the 6th secret is compromise. A relationship is about 2 individuals becoming a team, and every team needs a bit of give and take. You won't always agree on everything, and that's okay. The key is to find a middle ground that satisfies both parties. Next up, appreciation. It's the little things that count. A simple thank you or a random act of kindness can go a long way in making your partner feel valued. Our 8th secret is shared experiences. These create bonds that are difficult to break. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip or cooking dinner together, shared experiences foster a deeper connection. Patience, our 9th secret, teaches us that good things come to those who wait. Relationships have their ups and downs, and it's important to remain patient through the rough patches. Lastly, love and affection. Never underestimate the power of a warm hug or a loving word. And there you have it, the 10 secrets to a lasting relationship. So, to wrap it all up, what do these secrets tell us? Each of these 10 secrets, from open communication and honesty to forgiveness and quality time to mutual respect and shared dreams, they all converge at one point: the heart of a lasting relationship. They are the building blocks that foster trust, nurture love, and encourage growth. They remind us that a strong relationship isn't built overnight, but is a beautiful tapestry woven over time. Through shared experiences, understanding, and resilience, their importance cannot be overstated, as they form the very foundation of a bond that thrives over time and withstands life's storms. Remember, a lasting relationship is not about perfection, but about continually choosing to love, respect, and work together. Here's to lasting love. Before we end this video, we'd like to invite you to become a part of our growing community. If you found value in what we shared today, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly post content about relationships, personal growth, and everything in between. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. You'll also be helping us to continue creating content that helps you build stronger, healthier relationships. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts too. Feel free to drop a comment below sharing which secret resonated with you the most, or any relationship advice you'd like to pass on. Remember, we're in this journey together. Click that subscribe button and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for your support.